Hello guys, today on this video I will show you how to set negative screen color on this poco mobile. Before you continue this video, so let's start the video now. First we have to click here in setting and rule this additional setting. Click then here with accessibility, then the version, rule this color inversion, which just click here use color inversion, they will become like this. So if you love this video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icons. And thanks for watching this video.